think are the benefits of adding cover-ups to your repertoire as a tattoo artist?
One of the reasons why I encourage all tattoo artists to learn to embrace cover-ups and try to make it a regular part of what they do is because so many people need them, and if those people end up going elsewhere for their cover-ups, they're not going to come back to you with their blank skin necessarily. However, if you can make something beautiful out of their unwanted tattoo, they will definitely trust you. And of course, as you're doing the cover-up and you're feeling them out to see if they're going to be wanting more ink, you definitely can, kind of point them in the direction of new ideas, especially if there's other cover-ups that you might want. You can even suggest larger scenes that could, branch off these cover-ups. So you really will gain a lot of trust from your client by being able to do a successful cover-up. And once you've done that, you might have a client for life. However, if you're unwilling to do those cover-ups, they're going to move on. They're going to go somewhere else, and they're not necessarily going to come back to you with their blank skin.
All right, that was the last of our 20 insights from Reinventing the Tattoo. Thank you so much for watching. To start again from the beginning of the series, you can click here. If you'd like more free content, you can subscribe to our channel down here. And if you finish these insights and you want to keep going, you can head to reinventingthetattoo.com over here.